Well, hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we're going to do a factorial of 5. So if you want to find any factorial, and as you can know, if it is a factorial of 5, so how we represent, it's like a 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times actually 1. So that's how we're going to do that. So let's convert in the code, and we're going to use a for loop and while loop for that. So there are two ways you can do it. Let me do the first. We're going to declare the variable int factorial is equal to 1, and for int I equal to 1, I is less than or greater to 5, I plus plus, and I'm going to use a bracket here, system dot out dot println, that's what we're going to need. And here I would say factorial is equal to factorial times I, and inside my factorial is, and I'm going to concat factorial. So we already declared the factorial. So basically how this calculate, just like this. So it's totally inverse. So instead of 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, it's going to be start here, from start here until and unless so basically 1 is less than 5. So that's how it's going to be multiply, and we store in that one. So every time it's increment, it's stored in a factorial, and that's what we're going to print. That's the one way. And first check the result, and I'm going to put that in a after the loop, and let's check. So factorial is 120, and if we want to check the factorial of 4, so we just change the value over here, and it's going to print our factorial of 4 also. Okay, so that's a one way to do it. The another way, so we're going to change the starting point. So let's say 5, and here I would say greater than or equal to, and here I would say as soon as it's become 1, it's going to run, and I minus minus. So that's this way, like 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's the solution of that one. And if we're going to run this one, and it's a exactly same result will provide. My factor is 120. It depends how you like it. That's you're going to do it. I'm going to print out with the for loop, while loop. So let's comment out this one. So, and for comment you're going to do a control and slash, and once again I'm going to say int factorial is equal to 1, and this is the name of the variable. You can give any name. I like to give the same type of name, so that's why I give the factorial. And here I'm going to say what is my starting point. So I would say int I equal to 5 and semicolon, and I'm going to use a while over here, and in the brace I would say if I is less than or equal to 1, and I'm going to say factorial is equal to factorial times I semicolon. going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to print and make sure you decrement over here, otherwise your loop will run forever and crash your program. Control S, and I'm going to run, and it is exact. Let me put it outside of the loop. So I want end result, I don't want after every loop. So here is my result. So basically that's the way you're going to do it, for loop and while loop for Factorial. If you like my video, you can check my other video in the same playlist and keep practicing, and that's the way you're going to learn. So watching the video will give you the idea, but make sure you do some practice, and unless you're not comfortable, do some more practice. I did with the 5 you can change, and a lot of number you can do it with 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10, and that's how you're going to do. In a description, I'm also going to provide a source code, just if you want to like the practice. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you don't like, then you can dislike. So thank you for being here.